Hey guys, welcome back. Before we get into today's video, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, it'd really mean a lot to me. Today we're out cutting hay at 6 o'clock at night. It's actually June 30th here. Not sure when this video will get out. I'm usually a little behind. Hay's looking real good. It's the second cutting. Probably chop a bunch and we might be able to get some dry. We'll see how the weather plays out this week. Hopefully we're done by the 4th of July, so we can spend some time with our family for the holidays. We got our 4995 John Deere disc spine out here. It's been in some other videos, so I won't get into much detail about that. It's been kind of humid out here lately. There's been some stray showers that seem to pop up out of nowhere, so that's why we were a little reluctant to cut a little sooner. There's a little waterway right there. So we weren't in such a big hurry to cut this time because we had corn to cultivate. Michael and Travis did a whole bunch of that too. But we're all caught up now, so we'll go out and start cutting. We still got some corn to cultivate, but not nearly as much as we did earlier this week. So crops are looking pretty good so far. All in all, it's been about the perfect growing year. Anything was better than last year. A lot of feed out here. We're in some contours. I think there's like 60 or 70 acres of hay over this way. It's looking real good. Very happy with it. Looking really good over here. Never looks quite as good as our neighbors. It's 10:30 here. Still moving right along. We're doing 0 miles per hour here. Back in the merger today. It's July 1st. I think it's Wednesday. Just started making the first round here. They're still out cutting yet. Hoping to chop here soon. Got the 7700 on our Coon MM700 merger. I'm just the rookie operator. Hopefully our veteran operator shows up in a little bit here to get it done right. Marty's always the pro at this. does a really nice job. Might be on the chopping crew later, we'll see. Alright, so they started chopping probably about a half hour ago. They got a few loads done. Got that side of the farm all merged up for them, but they'll probably still catch up to me at some point tonight. Kind of been hammering away at it here, that's why I wasn't stopping to take footage, but we're back. We're 75-20. So we're switching fields here, switching farms I should say. Just getting out to make sure it's ready to merge. Doesn't feel too bad. We're gonna get a head start for tomorrow. Just putting 4 rows together here today. There's a few areas where you get the goofy rows where you throw a few more together, but the second crop is pretty good here, so 4 is enough. Just enough space between these 2 rows where you can drive right between them. That's what's nice about having the narrow tractor on it. So each row is about 16 feet. About 64 feet together. Makes a nice windrow for the chopper. We're about halfway done with that farm that I merged first over there. They'll probably quit after that one. Things are going well until I plugged it. I think it's just the dew coming on. It's a little too wet to merge, so we'll call it a night after I spend 45 minutes unplugging this. I don't think I could have plugged it any tighter if I tried. See how long this takes. It's in there pretty good. It's 9:30 now. Let's get to it. It's 3 o'clock here today. We're still chopping. Got some nice thick windrows here. Just a beautiful day again. It's 10:20. We've just been hammering away here. I didn't get a lot of it on video, but as you can see, we're still going here. Probably saved about 30 acres for the morning. Things have been going really good. All is well. Friday the 3rd, we're back starting at 7 a.m. Just 30 acres or so to finish up today. Should be an easy day. A lot of square fields left. We've got 6 haulers going today. Many hands make light work. Made it to the last 2 fields. They're just finishing up at the other farm. just getting full here. Gonna put a smaller one on that we cut off a different time here. Finish it out. So that's gonna wrap up the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check back for more in the future. Take care, guys.